Guys, just to be clear, I am not here to sell you anything. I am not a course seller, I'm just a regular dude making money from deving coins. I don't trade, I just create my own coins and I make money like that. Now in this video, I'm going to show you my entire strategy from start to finish, okay? And I will even do a live launch to show you how it's done from my perspective. By the end of this video, you are going to have my entire strategy. Whether you take notes or you just watch a video, it's going to be up to you. You will be able to do it for yourself by the end of the video. Let's get straight to it, bro. Let's go. Now, I am tired of people running in my DMs, DMing me on Telegram and Discord and complaining about losing a bunch of money from trading. You guys need to understand that most of these coins on chain, they will eventually bleed out or just go to zero instantly because most of these coins are rigged. The game is rigged. They pump and then they dump. That is what meme coins do all day, every day. Even if the meme coin lasts a while, it will eventually go to zero because the hype will die down. Now, that is exactly why I hate trading. I just dev. Because the devs are the ones making money from these drops. The people creating these coins are the ones selling when the chart goes down. They're the ultimate reason why the chart goes down in the first place. It's because of the devs. And that's exactly why I transitioned to creating my own coins. Now I am the one creating these coins and making a shit ton of money from cashing out on all the traders. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step from A to Z, okay, without sending you anything, by the way, on how to actually create a coin using a viral narrative, how to launch it, how to cash out, where to launch it. Everything will be done and said and shown in this video. Okay, I am not bullshitting, I'm just here to be direct with you and to show you how it works. By the way, bro, I have to say it for the video, I am not a financial advisor. Everything shown and said and done in this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, okay, so please do not take this as financial advice. Cap! Now look guys, I do not want you guys to fall in the trap that other devs made. Most devs, they launch their coins on Pump.Fun hoping to make money. But the truth is that Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Only a couple coins out of 1,000 will go viral and get a couple buyers. That's because it's over competitive. Most of these coins are bullshit. So if you make a coin, it will be considered bullshit. So instead, you have to be launching on the Raydium DEX, okay? It's untapped, and once your coin goes to Raydium and gets migrated, bro, it gets a bunch of attention, and even if you have a decent narrative, it can still get buyers just because of the pure attention, and that's exactly how I market my coin without paying anybody, without risking anything. I just launched Raydium. Now to launch your Raydium, bro, you have to be using memecreate.io. It's the best launchpad because every single person that makes a coin here, it goes to Raydium, and that's why it's being gatekept. And look, bro, making a meme coin is really easy once you know what you're doing. Now you have multiple strategies. Some people like to create coins from scratch, whether they create a X community or anything like that, you can make it here. You can use their free Twitter tracker and turn viral tweets into coins, but we are going to focus on this strategy, which is copying popular meme coins. All these coins, okay, are going viral on Pump.Fun as we speak. They all have a good narrative, so what we are going to do instead is use these narratives and copy them back right to Raydium. We're basically duplicating the coin, but using that narrative to our advantage to get people to buy our coin on Raydium. Let me show you how it's done though. Alright guys, now it's actually time to create a coin and then see how much we make from it, okay? Now connect your phantom wallet, click on refresh, right, and then look for a coin to copy. I usually just go for coins that look decent. Well, I mean, I don't know. I just choose random coins. So I'm gonna copy the Wombo coin, click on copy to Raydium. Your phantom wallet will show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Give it a couple seconds. And bang bro, now click on create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we allocate our supply, make the liquidity pool, launch it live, get a bunch of buyers, and yeah. Now, for the supply, click on 90%. I do that for all my coins. For the amount of SOL to pair, put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 SOL. Anywhere around there is decent. And then now obviously put right here yeah, 0.3. You are not going to lose this. If you want it back, okay, you can't. Okay, now click on create pool. Your phantom white is going to show up in a couple seconds. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the Wampo coin is live. Your PNL is going to be right there, and to see how much you're up at any moment, so right now, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, 200 bucks, we're up. This is insane, okay? And yeah, bro. Now, that's actually insane for some people, but let's see the chart. Let's see how it looks. Go on your trading platform. It can be anything, by the way. And then the coin should be live. Yes, sir, it's live. It's healthy as fuck. It's pumping so much. This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. It's pumping so much. Like, look at this, bro. I did no promotion. I did not show this coin. I did not do anything. Okay? It's all coming from Raydium, and people are sleeping on deving. It's so good. Like, look at this, bro. Like, at least try out with a couple coins. Okay? And if you still love trading, well, you can stick to trading, but do not come crying to me if you're unprofitable. I'm gonna let this coin ride for a bit. When I come back, I will show you how to do. I mean how to cash out. So I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I am back. Let's cash out on our coin. This coin that we just copied is extremely strong. Like, I could even ride it even longer and make even way more profits. But let's cash out right now for the video. Come back to memecreate.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, we're up 2.4k in PNL. Now, obviously, click on the minus button. Wait, 2.4k is actually insane, by the way. But anyways, click on the minus button. Do 100% remove liquidity. Your phantom is going to show up right here. Ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm and understand. Confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin, okay? That we vamped. And bang, the money is there. Okay, I'm not capping. I actually do this legitimately. I'm not here to sell you a course or anything. I'm just here to expose a method because, you know, it's insane, bro. And meme coin is kind of dying, right? The market is kind of dying, but deving is still insane. So I'm gonna let that to you. Memecreate.io will be linked down below, bro. Like, subscribe, and comment. And it's all for educational purposes only, cap.